Hey guys, so I'm bored and there's only so much that you can truly talk about with e-commerce. I feel like there can only be so many videos about Facebook ads, scaling, finding suppliers, all that good stuff. So on this laid back Saturday night, I want to film a quick video showing you 2 coins that I bought that have made me nice and juicy returns. Now, by no means should you be buying these coins now. This is a video that's simply for fun and just straight out of love for crypto. As I'm huge on DeFi, I'm huge on crypto. I think that Bitcoin will one day be the world reserve currency due to current the US dollar is very unattractive right now. Anyways, let's jump into my computer and show you these 2 coins. Super quick video. Let's go. All right, guys. So we're now in my computer on TradingView. This is where I do most of my screening for not only crypto, but stocks, Forex, whatever it may be that I'm trading whenever I feel like trading. This is the first coin that I found. It's called Rune. Now, there's a few markings on this chart. None of them are actually where I got into this coin. I actually got into this coin somewhere around down here, and I'll actually throw up a couple of screenshots from Binance if possible just to prove that. But again, this video is just for fun. I'm not a crypto god. Do not take my advice. But I got in this coin somewhere around down here. Maybe I kind of averaged in around here somewhere. As you can see, it's just been going absolutely brazy. This is 30-day standard moving average. I just have in almost all of my pairs. And the fundamental reasoning behind why I chose this coin is pretty simple. If we go to the thorchain.org website, which is pretty much Rune's company that it's representing, you can pretty much, from a high level, you can pretty much see what it does. I try sticking with ones that have, typically more larger caps. That's just me though. Back to Rune, they kind of just explain what nodes purposes are, how Thorchain helps with that. I'm not going to break it down too much. I kind of want to make a super quick video sharing how I made money on them. That's pretty much it. But you can see how it simplifies blockchain in one way or another. Again, hey guys, this is a second pair now, and I don't know how I'm going to prove that I actually bought these. I kind of don't want to drop the Etherscan link just because I don't want people knowing how much I actually purchased of these. However, it was a pretty juicy bag, I will say. And I also got in on Polkadot a little late, but not too late. I would say I think I actually have my entry around here, around the $35 mark when I got in initially with most of my big money at least. I think maybe a little bit before. Not too much though. Most of it's at 34. And as you can see, I'm pretty much up what is that? 20, 25%, 20% around there. Just on the 1 hour time frame here, you can see it's absolutely rallied and kind of just hodling it. And so those were the 2 coins, Rune and Polkadot, that I've pretty much been holding. If we go to Polkadot's website, again, this one has a little bit more of a larger market cap. Polkadot's in the top 5. I also have this coin and this coin and this coin and that coin. Almost this coin soon. This one's also amazing. And there's so much more. And of course, these big bad boys. However, Polkadot's one we're talking about right now. They currently have 5th largest market cap. There's about 925 million of them in supply. Not too shabby. This thing can definitely have a price target in my prediction of $65 to $70 in the short term. And so this is not financial advice. It's my opinion. All of the company's websites and any information that I believe is fundamentally important to understand, I'm going to link below in this video because this is a scary game. Many people are going to get hurt that are involved in bubbles. And I'm not saying crypto is a bubble, but some things are really boosting it, really inflating it in my opinion. And the most important things to look out for is the way more financial institutions are moving more into it and how much more weaker the US dollar becomes, because the Fed can only go so far before interest rates might have to increase, or if that doesn't happen, which probably won't, then inflation might rise. That's only going to damage the US dollar. Bitcoin. The alts follow. It's kind of just how it goes. And there's been statistics that show that alts do have great months in April and May. And so this video will hopefully be posted sometime in April. I think early April. Right now it's April 3rd. So those are the 2 coins. Really chill video. This channel is called eCommerce Street. So if you're watching it from a crypto perspective, that's up to you. I'm gonna hop out right here, guys. I hope that this was kind of insightful and just cool to see my journey. There isn't too much to really share there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.